One of the most powerful tools in Windows 10 is its built-in virtualization, raised flat supporting surface, Hyper-V. Using Hyper-V, you can create a virtual machine and use it for figuring out the worth, amount, or quality of software and services without risking the honest and good human quality, wholeness or completeness, or firm and steady nature, lasting nature, strength of your real PC. Creating a new virtual PC is easy, but first you have to turn on the Hyper-V feature. Here's how. Start by confirming that your PC is capable of running Hyper-V. Your PC must be running a business edition of Windows 10 Pro or Business project. Windows 10 Home does not include Hyper-V support. Hyper-V demands 64-bit Windows. If you're running the 32-bit related to the beautiful design and construction of buildings, etc., you're out of luck. Your CPU and connected hardware must meet particular needed things. Most modern CPUs pass this test with ease. For full details, see Windows 10 tip. Find out if your PC can run Hyper-V. Finally, you need enough physical hardware to give reserve to your virtual machine. At a very low value, that means at least 4 GB of installed RAM. I recommend 8 to 16 GB for any kind of serious work with Hyper-V. You also need enough unused local storage to hold a full installation of Windows apps and checkpoints. 32 GB should be good enough. With those needed things out of the way, you're ready to turn on Hyper-V. In the search box, type Turn Windows Features on or off and click the top result. That opens the control panel dialog box shown here. Scroll down to the Hyper-V entry and click to enable the full feature set. Close the Windows Features dialog box and restart your PC. You're now ready to open the Hyper-V Management Console and begin creating your first virtual machine.